This video tutorial I will explain what is HTTP status codes. Imagine you are sending a letter through the mail. Now let's say you receive a response back that is not just the letter but also a small note indicating how things went with your letter. Did it reach its destination? Was there a problem? This little note helps you to understand what happened with your letter. In the world of internet, when you request a web page, your web browser sends request to the server. The server is somewhere else, and the server receives the request and process the request, sends back a response to your browser. Just like note in the mail, this response includes the code called HTTP status codes, like 100 series, 200 series, 300 series, 400 series, and 500 series. HTTP status codes are like quick messages that tell your web browser how things went with your request, and they are way for server to communicate with your web browser without writing out a full explanation. 100 series means it is informational, 200 series means it is success, 300 series means it is redirection, 400 series means it is client error, 500 series means it is server error. Status code 200, okay. This is like getting a thumbs up. It means your request went well and the server is sending you the web page you asked for. And status code 404, not found. This is like getting a sorry, I could not find what you are looking for. And this means the server could not find the web page you asked for. Status code 500, internal server error. This is like getting an oops, something went wrong on our end. It means there was a problem with the server and not your request. So think of HTTP status code as a little messages that help your web browser to understand what is happening when you are browsing the internet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.